In the next 5 minutes, we'll tune your mind to attract opportunities. Right now, before you touch your phone, I'll guide your breath, gratitude, affirmations, a vivid visualization, and one line that seals your intention. By the end, you'll feel it done. Sit comfortably, soften your shoulders, close your eyes. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, slow breath in, soft breath out. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly loosen. Let the morning quiet meet you. Keep a gentle smile. Place both hands over your chest. Breathe in and out. Silently tell yourself, I am safe. I am calm. I am guided. Feel your heartbeat under your palms, like a drum reminding you that you are here, now, alive, ready. Your thoughts are slowing. Your body is listening. This relaxed, open state is where your subconscious receives. No effort, just presence. With each breath, your nervous system settles. Your attention becomes simple and steady. Gratitude now. Think of 3 real things you're thankful for this morning. See the first one vividly. Whisper inside, thank you. See the second, let it warm your chest. Thank you. See the third, let your face soften. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let gratitude spread through your ribs, your back, your face. Feel how abundance replaces urgency. Breathe in the feeling that life is already helping you. Breathe out any tightness that says you're late, behind, or unworthy. Place your hands down. Keep the smile. We'll speak to your mind in the present tense. Repeat within as if you're telling a child the truth about who they are. I am worthy of love and success. I am valued and respected. Everything is working out in my favor. Again, slower, like you mean it. I am worthy of love and success. I am valued and respected. Everything is working out in my favor. One more time with breath. I am worthy. I am valued. Everything is working out in my favor. Now we'll imagine. Bring up your top goal, the one that matters most. See the scene where it's already real. Where are you? What light is in the room? What clothes are on your body? Who's near you? What sounds can you hear? Zoom in on details, the texture of a table, the color on a screen, the message arriving, the handshake confirmed, the mirror catching your smile. Let the environment prove to you that it already happened. Feel the emotions of this reality. Relief landing in your chest, quiet confidence in your shoulders, joy at the corners of your eyes, gratitude expanding your breath. Stay with it. Let the feeling become familiar, like a home you return to. Hold that image while you breathe, in and out. Your calm energy is now the signal. Ideas, people, and timing begin to align with what you're feeling. You're not chasing, you're allowing. You are the match to the life you asked for. Place your palms on your chest again. Smile softly. Seal it with me 3 times. It is now done. Thank you, God. It is now done. Thank you, God. It is now done. Thank you, God. Release the question of how. Release the question of when. Trust is the bridge between desire and manifestation. You've stepped onto that bridge by feeling it real. Keep walking it with consistency, not force. Hands down, breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Notice the stillness you created. Notice the subtle brightness in your chest. This is your new starting place. For the next 21 days, do this 5-minute practice right after you wake up. Small, consistent moments will retrain your attention far more than hours of scattered effort. Let these 5 minutes set the tone for everything that follows. When you're ready, take one last deep breath. Inhale possibility, exhale doubt. Gently open your eyes, bringing this calm, grateful certainty into your day. It is now done. If this helped you, share it with someone you love, leave a comment about what shifted for you, and subscribe to practice with me each morning. I'm cheering for you.